Hey guys, well, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you this wig sent from Nadula Hair. Now I'm going to be honest, upon taking it out the package, I was not a big fan of this wig. This is their 5x5 Invisible HD Lace Closure Wig. It's in 180% density. The texture is a kinky straight texture, as you can see, and it was just really thick, like a lot of hair, you guys. And it is 24 inches as well. Alright guys, so I went ahead and one curled this hair. As you can see, it's a lot of hair. A lot of hair. Just too much for me. So I felt like one curling it would be my best option. So I just went ahead and one curled the hair off camera. I'm coming back to you like a week later. So this actually has been in the hair for about a week. And I did use... Where is it? I don't know where it's at, but I did use some holding spray to hold in the wand curls just so they can last a little bit longer, and it for sure held up. So I really appreciate that. I also went in and plucked the hairline because the hairline, to me, with all the thickness, it just wasn't doing it, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this wig on for you again with the, so you guys can see what the hairline looks like now versus before. And I didn't bleach the knots. You can go in and bleach the knots if you want to. I will say the fit on this is really good. I can't remember the cap size. It feels like a small cap size. If it's not, I don't know. I'll leave it in my description box just in case you guys have a small head like I do, but the hairline definitely is given more natural than what it started out. I feel like the wig looks so much better than before. So this will be looking like, y'all. I'm gonna cut off the lace and then come back. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear this glueless or if I'm going to use my Got2b glue. So as you can see, you definitely got to manipulate this wig to make it look like something. I think one thing that did save this wig was the fact that the lace is HD, because the hairline was barely pre-plucked and the knots don't come bleached, but the lace lays so good, you guys. Like, it definitely melts into the skin. So by me plucking it, I feel like it made the wig just look 10 times better. Now, if you're not a fan of the thickness, because it is a kinky straight texture on top of just being a really thick wig, it's a lot of hair. But I know a lot of people out there love, you know, like that thick, full texture. You're definitely going to get that from this wig. But the wand curls is just given. And another thing that saved this wig that I really, really like is the fact that you can wear it glueless, you guys. Like, that thing was stuck on my head. It already looks like I used glue or wig adhesive, and I didn't. Now I'm spraying the wig adhesive on just because I feel like when I spray this stuff on the lace, it just makes it melt more. But trust me when I say I did not need that stuff to hold down the lace, because it was already holding, you guys. And I'm not going to do like any baby hairs or anything like that. I'm just going to wear it as is because that's how natural it looks. So yeah, y'all, I can really appreciate this wig. It had to grow on me. I had to do some tweaking, but all in all, it's a very nice wig. It's just a really thick wig for sure. It's really thick. So if you guys are interested in this wig or wigs that they have on their website, check below in my description box because I'll link links. And also I'll go ahead and link some coupon codes that you guys can use for money off. And if that is not good enough, they also have an option where you can do a 4-payment installment. So yeah, it's ways around it, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video.